Hello, my name's Faris and you join me here at Stafford Audi. Today I'm going to be taking you on a 360 walk around of this brand new Audi Q3 Sportback Black Edition. This vehicle comes finished in the metallic paint colour Chronos Grey and features a TFSI petrol engine pushing out 150 PS. Accompanying this is a smooth automatic transmission. Taking a look at some of the exterior features, across the front we'll find a set of matrix LED headlamps with a dynamic indicator. In the front of the radiator grille and the portions surrounding the lower bumper, we'll also find some black grills as part of the Black Edition. The vehicle also features a set of 360 cameras, and down below the vehicle sits on a set of 19-inch alloy wheels which come in a 5 twin-arm design. Moving towards the rear of the vehicle, we'll find a tailgate with a heated rear window. The driver benefits from having a rear view reversing camera as well as a set of rear parking sensors. This vehicle features a power operated tailgate option which makes loading the vehicle incredibly easy. The vehicle also has a large amount of storage space in the rear, as well as for the rear passengers, where we'll find a 3-seater bench with a folding armrest in the middle. The rear passengers also have some heater controls in the floor well, and up front for the driver and the front passenger will find 2 singular S-line seats that have a more sporty feel. In the centre of the dash we'll find a colour touchscreen multimedia system. This system includes navigation, as well as allowing the vehicle occupants to connect their smartphone device to the vehicle. Throughout the rest of the centre console we'll find an armrest as well as a few cup holders, and the driver has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed flat bottom steering wheel as well as an Audi virtual cockpit system. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this brand new Audi Q3 Sportback Black Edition. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.